Food safety is a crucial aspect of our daily lives, ensuring that the food we eat is free from harmful bacteria and contaminants. One of the most important factors in maintaining food safety is temperature control. Whether you're cooking at home, dining out, or working in the food industry, understanding how temperature affects food safety can help prevent foodborne illnesses. In this video, we'll explore why temperature control is so vital, the science behind it, and practical tips to keep your food safe. Let's start by understanding what food safety really means and why it should matter to everyone. Temperature control refers to the practice of keeping food at safe temperatures to prevent the growth of harmful microorganisms. This involves both heating and cooling food to specific temperatures and maintaining those temperatures during storage, preparation, and serving. Without proper temperature control, bacteria can multiply quickly, increasing the risk of foodborne illnesses. By understanding the basics of temperature control, you can take the first step towards safer food handling practices. One of the most important concepts in food safety is the danger zone. This refers to the temperature range between 40 degrees F 4 degrees C and 140 degrees F 60 degrees C, where bacteria can grow rapidly. Foods left in the range for too long become unsafe to eat. Understanding the danger zone helps you know when food is at risk and when it's safe. Keeping food out of this temperature range is a key strategy in preventing foodborne illnesses. Bacteria such as Salmonella, E. coli, and Listeria multiply fastest in the danger zone. Warm temperatures provide an ideal environment for these microorganisms to reproduce. When food is kept at unsafe temperatures, bacteria can double in number every 20 minutes. This rapid growth can quickly turn safe food into a health hazard. That's why it's essential to minimize the time food spends in the danger zone. Refrigeration is one of the most effective ways to slow down bacterial growth. By keeping perishable foods at or below 40 degrees F 4 degrees C, you significantly reduce the risk of foodborne illness. It's important to store raw meats, dairy products, and leftovers in the refrigerator as soon as possible. Regularly checking your fridge's temperature and not overloading it ensures that cold air circulates properly, keeping your food safe. Freezing food at 0 degrees F minus 18 degrees C or lower stops bacterial growth almost completely. This method is ideal for long-term storage of meats, vegetables, and prepared meals. While freezing doesn't kill all bacteria, it keeps them dormant until the food is thawed. Always label frozen items with dates and use airtight packaging to prevent freezer burn and maintain quality. Thawing frozen food safely is just as important as freezing it. The safest methods include thawing in the refrigerator under cold running water or in the microwave. Never thaw food at room temperature as this can allow bacteria to multiply rapidly. Plan ahead to ensure that food is thawed safely and ready to cook when you need it. Cooking food to the right temperature is essential for killing harmful bacteria. Different foods require different internal temperatures to be safe. For example, poultry should be cooked to 165 degrees F 74 degrees C, while ground beef needs to reach 160 degrees F 71 degrees C. Using a food thermometer is the best way to ensure your food is cooked thoroughly and safely. Allowing food to rest after cooking isn't just about flavor, it's also about safety. Resting lets the temperature even out and continue to rise, ensuring that any remaining bacteria are destroyed. This is especially important for large cuts of meat. Always follow recommended resting times for the best results. In serving food at buffets or events, it's important to keep hot foods at 140 degrees F 60 degrees C or higher. This prevents bacteria from growing while the food is being served. Use warming trays, slow cookers, or chafing dishes to maintain safe temperatures. Regularly check the temperature to ensure food stays out of the danger zone. After cooking, it's important to cool leftovers quickly to prevent bacteria growth. Divide large portions into smaller containers and refrigerate within 2 hours. Shallow containers help food cool faster and more evenly. Avoid leaving food out at room temperature for extended periods. When reheating leftovers, make sure they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees F 74 degrees C. This ensures that any bacteria that may have grown during storage are destroyed. Stir food to heat evenly and use a food thermometer to check the temperature. Don't rely on appearance alone. Food thermometers are essential tools for ensuring food safety. They provide an accurate reading of internal temperatures, helping you avoid guesswork. There are different types of thermometers for various foods and cooking methods. Always clean your thermometer before and after use to prevent cross-contamination. Temperature control is only effective if you also prevent cross-contamination. Using the same utensils or surfaces for raw and cooked foods can transfer bacteria even if the food is at a safe temperature. Always use separate cutting boards and clean surfaces thoroughly to minimize risk. Good personal hygiene is a key part of food safety. Washing hands before handling food, after touching raw ingredients, and after using the restroom helps prevent the spread of bacteria. Wearing gloves and hairnets in professional settings adds an extra layer of protection. Food labels provide important information about storage and cooking temperatures. Always read and follow label instructions for best results. Labels may also include expiration dates and safe handling tips, helping you make informed decisions about food safety. Transporting food safely requires maintaining the right temperatures. Use insulated coolers for cold foods and insulated bags for hot foods. Avoid leaving perishable items in a warm car as temperatures can rise quickly and enter the danger zone. Restaurants follow strict temperature control guidelines to ensure customer safety. This includes regular temperature checks, proper storage, and staff training. As a customer, you can look for signs of good food safety practices such as clean facilities and staff using thermometers. At home, you can practice food safety by keeping your refrigerator and freezer at the correct temperatures, using thermometers, and following safe cooking and storage guidelines. Regularly clean your kitchen and avoid overcrowding your fridge to allow proper air circulation. Picnics and barbecues present unique food safety challenges. Without access to refrigeration, it's important to keep cold foods in coolers and hot foods insulated. Don't leave food out for more than 2 hours, and even less if it's hot outside. Foodborne illnesses are caused by consuming contaminated food or beverages. Symptoms can range from mild stomach upset to severe illness. Most cases are preventable with proper temperature control and safe food handling practices. Certain groups, such as young children, the elderly, pregnant women, and those with weakened immune systems, are more susceptible to foodborne illnesses. For these individuals, strict temperature control is especially important to reduce health risks. Spoiled food often has changes in color, texture, or smell. However, some dangerous bacteria don't affect the appearance of food. That's why relying on temperature control and safe storage is more effective than judging food by sight or smell alone. Bacteria need moisture, nutrients, and the right temperature to grow. When food is kept in the danger zone, these conditions are met, leading to rapid bacterial multiplication. Understanding this science helps explain why temperature control is so effective in preventing foodborne illnesses. The food industry uses strict temperature monitoring systems to ensure safety from production to delivery. Automated sensors, regular checks, and staff training are all part of maintaining high standards. These measures help prevent outbreaks and protect public health. Many countries have laws and regulations that require food businesses to follow strict temperature control guidelines. These rules are designed to protect consumers and ensure that food is safe from farm to table. Non-compliance can result in fines or closure. Modern technology has made temperature control easier and more reliable. Digital thermometers, smart fridges, and automated monitoring systems help both businesses and consumers maintain safe food temperatures. Embracing technology can greatly reduce the risk of foodborne illness. Some common mistakes include leaving food out too long, not checking fridge temperatures, and reheating food unevenly. Avoiding these errors can make a big difference in food safety. Always be mindful of how long food sits out and use thermometers to check temperatures. Leftovers should be cooled quickly, stored in airtight containers, and reheated to the proper temperature before eating. Label leftovers with dates and use them within a few days. These practices help prevent spoilage and reduce waste. Expiration dates indicate when food is at its best quality, but temperature control is still necessary. Even before the expiration date, improper storage can make food unsafe. Always combine date checks with proper temperature management for the best results. Hot weather increases the risk of foodborne illness as bacteria grow faster in warm conditions. During summer, pay extra attention to keeping food cold and minimizing time outdoors. In winter, ensure hot foods stay warm during transport and serving. Teaching children about food safety and temperature control helps them develop lifelong healthy habits. Encourage kids to wash their hands, avoid eating food left out, and help with safe food storage. Simple lessons can make a big difference. Power outages and natural disasters can disrupt temperature control. If your fridge or freezer loses power, keep the doors closed as much as possible. Discard perishable foods if temperatures rise above safe levels for more than 2 hours. Proper training in temperature control is essential for food handlers. Regular training sessions keep staff updated on best practices and new regulations. Well-trained staff are more likely to follow safety protocols and prevent foodborne illnesses. Food safety audits help ensure that temperature control measures are being followed. Auditors check equipment, storage, and staff practices to identify areas for improvement. Regular audits keep standards high and protect public health. Consumers play a vital role in food safety by being aware of temperature control practices. Reading labels, checking fridge temperatures, and following safe cooking guidelines all contribute to safer meals at home. International organizations set food safety standards that include temperature control requirements. These standards help ensure that food is safe for consumers around the world, regardless of where it's produced or sold. New technologies such as smart sensors and automated alerts are making it easier to maintain safe food temperatures. These innovations help both businesses and consumers respond quickly to temperature changes and prevent food spoilage. Failing to control food temperatures can lead to food waste, illness, and even legal consequences. The costs can be high for both individuals and businesses. Investing in proper temperature control is a smart way to protect health and finances. Sustainable practices such as reducing food waste and using energy-efficient appliances support both food safety and environmental health. Proper temperature control helps extend food shelf life and minimizes unnecessary waste. There are many myths about food safety, such as believing that smell or taste can always indicate spoilage. In reality, harmful bacteria can be present even when food looks and smells fine. Relying on temperature control and safe handling is the best way to stay safe. From farm to table, temperature control is important at every stage of the food supply chain. Farmers, processors, distributors, retailers, and consumers all play a role in keeping food safe. Collaboration ensures that food remains safe until it reaches your plate. Let's review the key temperature points for food safety. Keep cold foods at or below 40 degrees F, 4 degrees C, hot foods at or above 140 degrees F, 60 degrees C, and always cook foods to their recommended internal temperatures. Use thermometers and follow safe storage practices for the best results. By understanding and applying temperature control principles, you can make safer food choices for yourself and your family. Simple actions like checking fridge temperatures and using thermometers go a long way in preventing foodborne illnesses. Temperature control is a powerful tool in the fight against foodborne illness. By keeping food at safe temperatures, you protect your health and the health of those around you. Remember, food safety starts with knowledge and ends with action. Make temperature control a habit and enjoy your meals with confidence.